We have more to share with BitGo executives down here on the trading floor of the New York Stock Exchange after you saw this company ring the opening bell. It's here for its IPO today. And joining me now with more are Jody Metler, BitGo's Chief Operating Officer, and Ed Reginelli, BitGo's Chief Financial Officer. Jody and Ed, welcome. It's great to have you on the show today. Jody, let's talk about this journey and from an operational standpoint, how we got here today.
Yeah, well, thank you for having us. Today just represents another milestone in BitGo's journey. BitGo has been around since 2013 and has really established the digital asset infrastructure. That's what we are, right? So along our journey as a private company, this is a huge milestone for us to move to a public company. And yeah, it's just the beginning of even better things.
Just the beginning, I like that. Ed, why is now the right time for BitGo to tap the capital markets?
I think it's a perfect time as the regulatory environment is very supportive of companies going public now. The exchanges need more companies that are in cryptocurrency as listings. For us, our clients trust us with billions of dollars of their assets, and we owe that transparency to them. So they know that they have a strong partner they're working with, and also the ability to tap into the capital markets will help fund the company's growth going into the future.
Jody, I want to hear from you in terms of regulations and compliance. Of course, that is a key part of being part of the capital markets. And where does that stand for BitGo?
Yeah, I think one of our strengths at BitGo is our regulatory footprint. So we have regulatory licenses around the globe. We've really spent a lot of time and thoughtfulness about establishing that footprint. So we've evolved as the regulations have evolved, and we are meeting them where they are. And it's been great. It's been amazing to have regulators that we can talk to and brainstorm on. And so I think BitGo has been very thoughtful about how we built our company based on regulation.
Ed, what does today's IPO tell us about BitGo's financial maturity?
Well, our journey started 12 years ago with, again, the idea of creating trust in this space. We continue to build onto that idea with a regulatory first approach, and then on top of that added various financial service products. We have a very defensible recurring revenue stream that we're able to create, and we believe that the opportunity in front of us is incredible, and we're looking forward to growing into this industry.
Jody, I want to end with you and ask about this OCC license, how that changes the game for BitGo.
Yeah, I think it elevates us to a league that we weren't in before, right? We've had some great state regulators in the past, but to be a federally chartered bank is the next level. So it brings us into a realm of distinguishedness that we hadn't had before, and really puts us on a level playing field with other banks in the industry.
Jody, Ed, thank you so much for joining me here on the trading floor. Congratulations again on this IPO.
Thank you so much, Kristen.
Great to have you.